Okay, we've had lightning for about 5 straight minutes, non-stop. It's like the movie with Tom Cruise. What was it called? War of the Worlds? War of the Worlds. It's been maybe 7 minutes now, just straight. The lightning is about, and we have the water going. I don't need my landscaping being watered. It's pouring outside. It was. But this is like 7 minutes now, straight, just non-stop. Thunder and lightning, back to back. It's very close. I would say maybe an eighth of a mile away. Okay, let me get under the thing. Oh, I do not want to get struck by lightning. This could be our first podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, Man from Earth. Welcome to the Man from Earth podcast video, the first one. I'm showing you lightning for however long. This is probably the epicenter.
Or very close to it.
Very close to it. Whoa, 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 that was close. It is mesmerizing standing here and just watching lightning and thunder continuously. I would say we're walking about 9-10 minutes, maybe even longer. Whoa, that was strong. That is very, I want to back up a little bit. I do not want to get struck by lightning. I'm surprised the neighbors are not outside watching. It is mesmerizing and epic scenery. I don't even want to stop the video. Oh, that was right above my head. Okay, that was like right there, right above my head. If our house gets struck by lightning, we will lose the internet and everything. Oh, everything. Maybe I should tell the neighbors. Should go inside. After this, I might need a shot. This is going on 11-12 minutes straight. Comment below if you've ever seen lightning and thunder continuously for this long. I've never seen this long. Hey, how are you? I've never seen this before. Have you? It continues for 15. It continues for 15 minutes.
Non-stop.
This is 15 minutes. It's like War of the Worlds. We're just missing Tom Cruise. And it's very close, so be careful. Do not want to get struck by lightning. I have my earbuds on too. That's not good. There, focus. Okay, the track lightning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Careful, you're standing right under a tree. Not a good place to stand. I hope it's not like this tomorrow. During the day.
Oh, I know.
You see that?
Love the weather.
See that?
Yeah. I love the weather. So cool.
I think it's in the low 70s right now. For Las Vegas, Nevada, and end of July, low 70s is rare.
Hey, get over here.
Wait, who's this? Wait, we have a doggy. Hey, go. Who's this? This is Harley?
That's a new dog.
Is this Harley?
Apologies. Yeah, that's a
Okay, he's
new
not
little
Coco. Okay,
addition
he's not
right
Coco.
there.
That's good. Coco would have bit me already.
Come on, you little curious George.
It's okay. You gonna pee?
Still too young.
Harley?
Harley,
Yeah.
he's new. He's gonna pee. Kevin.
Puppy.
Hi, Harley.
We just got her.
Girl? Oh.
Hi, Harley. How are you? Oh, get Coco out of here.
That one doesn't like you.
No. Coco, get out of here. The neighbor's dog hates my guts. Harley's cool. Coco wants to eat me.
Coco wants to eat you?
Yeah. Coco's been barking at me for 5 years. I haven't given filet mignon once. He's still barking.
Oh, you did?
I gave him meat once. Yeah. Just kidding. I'm kidding.
Get over here. Get over here.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to leave, but I'm getting hungry. So, we will say farewell. I will upload this video upcoming. Welcome to my new channel, Man from Earth. We'll start off with this. Alright, guys, have a good night.